This is not cute anymore. New ILLIT song. I'm so ready. I'm probably the most excited person in the world right now. All right, we're gonna turn this all the way up. I'm shaking. So, let's do it. Cute is dead. Okay, she's looking at the grave. Being cute doesn't define who I am. There's a lot more to me than that. All right, we're gonna blast that baby all the way up. Okay, Q is dead. I doubt that. Ooh, what's that? Crazy. What happened? Cute anymore. Did she just get zapped by a laser? Did she just take off in a scooter because her car crashed? That was so peak. Okay, let's digest this video. Why do we have orange hair Iroha? Okay, tough. Explaining to the cops, not cutely, that there's a crash. We need to talk about this section right here. This is a beautiful verse.